Right, this one says draw an accurate graph of y is equal to x squared. By drawing a suitable straight line on your graph, solve the equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 1 decimal place. So, drawing a graph of y is equal to x squared by using the table below. Got the table, minus 3 squared is 9, minus 2 squared is 4, minus 1 squared is 1, 0 is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and 3 squared is 9. So you should be able to draw this graph straight easily. Plot those points onto the graph. Notice I've got different scale here on the x and the y axis. So plotting those points on, and you need to draw this graph as accurately as possible. So if you find it difficult, take some extra points here and here, and probably here and here and here and here to get a more accurate graph. And it's easy if you turn the paper upside down to get a smooth curve. Label it at one end, y is equal to x squared. Right, we were going to solve this equation, 2x squared minus 3x minus 6. So what we've got to do is make the left-hand side just x squared. Right, so that means I'm going to add 3x, so that'll make that 0, and I'm going to add 6 to begin with. So just do that first. That means that 2x squared is going to be equal to 3x plus 6, and then because I just wanted x squared on that side, I now need to divide by 2. So dividing that by 2, that makes that x squared, and then that becomes 3 over 2x. We'll leave it as 3 over 2. Don't write it as 1.5. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we will need to draw the line y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3 onto this graph. We use the idea y is equal to mx plus c. So c is 3. So on that particular point there, I will put a point. I need to be careful because the axes here are different scales. Just be very careful about that. So at this point 3, to put a point. Now we've got a gradient of 3 over 2. So that means for every 2 squares along, so I need to go along 4 of the squares here, and then up 3 here. And my next point will be here. Just pause the video and check that carefully, that you fully understood that. It's 3 divided by 2 is the gradient, and also extend that backwards to get that other point down here. We've got 3 points here. We can take our ruler and very accurately draw the straight line y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3. Right, the intercept of the two graphs gives me the solution. So you need to mark the intercept on very clearly to show the examiner how you got your answer. Get some method marks. So here, this will be minus 1.1. Read off the scale very carefully. And this one will be 2.6. So the solutions are going to be, from the graph, x is equal to minus 1.1 or x is equal to 2.6. So this has been a video to show you how to use the graph y is equal to x squared and drawing a suitable straight line to solve a more complicated quadratic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.